Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through a trade that we took over the course of the weekend, and we're also going to take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. If that sounds interesting, smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video up until the end, because like I said, I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as we can see, okay, Bitcoin is continuing that push towards the upside, okay? We are now sat at around $31,270, okay? So we've had a very, very nice rise towards the upside, okay? Now, as the price has been rising, okay, there has been a short opportunity, okay, that we did actually spot and presented itself to us, okay, and we actually did take full advantage of that here at Bit Trading, okay. So that was a short from around $30,200, okay, and we actually took this short here. Now, I was expecting this short to yield us more profits, okay, as in we see the price actually pull back further than it did, okay, but okay, we actually saw the price reverse, okay, and now we are seeing that continuation towards the upside, okay. So let's just walk you through that trade. So I did tell my team, okay, that I am short, okay. I showed them the setup right here. I explained why I was entering into that short position, okay, and then yeah, yesterday we did actually take a TP1 on the short, okay, and then we moved the stop loss to entry, as you can see right there. So we made yeah, 63% on that short position, so that was a really, really nice TP1. And then like I said, we moved stop loss to entry, okay. By moving the stop loss to entry, we made that a completely risk-free trade. We've already taken some profit off the table, letting the rest of the trade ride, okay? And yeah, there is no risk in that trade, because if it hits stop loss, okay, it's hitting stop loss at break even. So we've already taken profit, okay, and then the trade gets stopped out at break even, okay? So that's exactly what happened, okay? We saw that trade get stopped out at break even, okay? So that was just a nice 63% trade, okay? We protected that, okay? So we saw price coming up to this level. We saw the bearish indication, okay, telling us to actually enter into that short. So what did we do? We entered into the short, okay. Once we took that TP1, we moved the stop loss to entry to make that a risk-free trade, okay. So, you know, that was a profitable trade. Yes, the price didn't continue lower like I expected it to, okay, but because we took a TP1, okay, and then we moved the stop loss to entry, okay, we still had a very, very profitable trade, okay. So we can get past this trade, okay, and now look for those next trades. Now, coming up to these highs here, okay, that we can see here, we had a local range right here, and now coming up to these highs, you know, we can see that we are getting a bearish indication on the chart here. We're forming a liquidity sweep right here. Well, we formed a liquidity sweep right here, okay, but as you can see on the Discord, you know, I did not enter into a short on this level. Why was that? Well, if we come and have a look at the open interest in the CBD, okay, yes, okay, as prices you know, forming these nice higher highs, okay, open interest is looking bearish, okay, but if we're coming to the CVD, okay, we can actually see that the CVD is still bullish, okay. So this is telling us that a short squeeze is most likely going to occur, okay, meaning, okay, that we are going to see higher prices, and that's exactly what happened, okay. Now, after that short squeeze occurred, okay, what was I looking for? Well, I was actually looking for a possible short position from this level here at $30,640, okay? Now, coming into this, okay, we actually formed a failed auction right here, okay, getting accepted back below, okay, this previous high that we made here, okay? But still, I did not short this, okay? And a lot of people would have been shorting this, okay? But still, I did not short this. The reason why I didn't short this is because exactly the same thing, okay, the exact same reason, okay. We were still seeing a short squeeze, okay, coming into this key level, okay. So we were seeing that open interest, yes, open interest was decreasing, okay, but we're still seeing that CVD increase, okay. We're still seeing new longs coming in, okay, which is telling me that a short squeeze is going to occur, okay, and we're going to see a continuation towards the upside, and that's exactly what happened, okay. So we're not shorting this. Yes, okay, these are key levels that we're looking to short, but remember, we have to see the bearish reaction at those levels before we can even think about entering into a short position, okay. So I did not enter into any short at these levels here, okay. We only shorted this level right here, which was a valid short position, like I was saying earlier, okay. But for me right now, I'm just remaining patient and looking for higher prices. I'm waiting for some, new key levels to be formed. Now, we are seeing this rise towards the upside because that DXY is getting a nice big pullback, okay, which of course is very, very good for the price of Bitcoin, okay? But what are the next key levels that we're looking for in the price of Bitcoin? Well, for that, we need to zoom out, okay? We'll actually take a look at the 4 hour then, okay? We'll take a look at the 4 hour and you can see, okay, we're at $31,200, okay? And we're coming up very close to this high that we made back in July of 2023, okay, at 31,869. That is the next key level, that I'm looking to possibly enter into a short from, okay? So like I've been saying, okay, we have to come into a key level and we have to look bearish, okay? We don't want to see a short squeeze. If we see a short squeeze coming in at this level, what is going to happen? Well, we're most likely going to see a continuation towards the upside, okay? So for me, coming into this level, we need to look bearish. If we're not looking bearish coming into this level, okay, then I'm going to look for higher prices. So the only level that I'm looking at shorting at this moment in time would be 31,869, okay? But we have to tap that level bearishly, okay? If we tap it bearishly, then we can enter into the short. Okay, so for me, that is the only level that I'm looking for right now, okay? But if we break above that level, you can see, we don't have much resistance above us, so we can target higher prices, okay? So if we break above 31,869, okay, then, we can say that much higher prices are coming, 33,000, 34, 35, those, are very, very likely price targets, okay? But we do just have to remain, aware of that downside as well, okay? Yes, if we look bullish coming into this level, we can target higher prices, okay? But if we're looking bearish coming into this level, we could actually see price come possibly all the way back down to $26,500, okay? We could see something like this happen. And why is that? Well, there is going to be so much liquidity sat at these levels here. As you can see, we have just seen a really, really nice sort of parabolic move towards the upside, okay? And there is just going to be so much liquidity sat at the lows that we have here. So much liquidity, okay? And what's going to happen, okay, if we start taking out this liquidity? Well, we're most likely going to see a domino effect, okay, where we just see that price have that massive, massive pullback, okay? So this is something we have to be aware of. Yes, price is looking very bullish, okay, and coming into these key levels, I'm not shorting these key levels, okay, because we're looking bullish coming into them, okay? But we have to remember there's going to be so much liquidity sat at these levels here, okay, that if we do look bearish at this level here, okay, then we could see a big, big domino effect of those liquidations, okay, and then we just see that price pull back possibly all the way back down to $26,500, okay? So for me right now, I'm not in any trades, okay? I would like to be in a long position, yes, okay, but there was no long position presenting itself to us, okay? So for me, I stick to my strategy. I'm not FOMOing into a long, okay? I'm waiting for a new key level to be tapped or a new key level to be formed, okay? And then I will trade that, okay? So for me right now, remaining patient, just waiting. We've had a very, very profitable month here at Bit Trading, okay? So yeah, as you can see here, we made this trade on the weekend, okay? We made this trade previously as well. That was last week, okay? And this month we have made so much profit, okay? The start of the month we made 223%, okay? We made 211% here, okay? And then 325% here. So we've been so profitable this month, okay? So if you want access to this Visionary Discord where I'm giving all of my trades away, then make sure you click the link in the description. It'll take you over to Bit Trading. Click join Bit Trading here and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord. And yeah, somewhere on the screen there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord. So make sure you take advantage of that. Like I said, we've been so profitable over the course of this month, okay? We've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've taken 6 trades, okay? 5 of them have been profitable. 1 of them was a losing trade. So we are very, very profitable here at Bit Trading, okay? If you want access to all of my trades, then make sure you take advantage of that 1 month free access. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later. Goodbye.